Do you have a WordPress website or you are planning to build one for your business or your team? In this video, I'm going to show you one critical issues, how to fix one critical issues that is common with WordPress. You might have come across this issue before, or probably if you are planning to build your website with WordPress in the future, you might come across this issue. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix that particular issue with your WordPress website. And the issue is how to fix navigation menus or buttons that leads to 404 page. What do I mean? For example, if I click on any of this navigation menu or on this button, it will take me to a 404 page error. So let me show you example of what I'm trying to explain so you can get it clearer. So let me click on newsletter menu now. You see, it takes me to 404 not found. Let me get back to the home page again. If I click on another menu, the same issues occur. So let me click on button again. If I click on any button on the website, the same issue persists. So on my website now, it is only the home page that is working. So I'm using my website as an example so that you can see what I'm doing practically. So you might come across this similar issue on your WordPress website. So if you come across this issue anytime, then you will be able to know how to fix it. So to know how to fix it, make sure you watch this video to the end and pay attention. So how do you fix this issue now? To fix this issue is very simple. And what caused this particular issue is because the base code of WordPress website is missing on the HTTP access of your website. That is why that issue is showing up. The code, there is a particular code on WordPress that is missing. That is why the issue is showing up. So to fix it now, just go to your cPanel. So I will go to my cPanel now. You can access your cPanel via your hosting account. Then I will log into my cPanel. Then when you are on your cPanel, go to File Manager. Go to File Manager. Then you access the file. That is the website that is having that particular issue. So in this case now, this is where the folder of my website is. So I will click on it. Then I will navigate to .htaccess. .htaccess. I will click on it. Then I will right click to click on edit. Or you can just, when you click on it, then you can click on the button at the top that says edit. So you can either right click and click on edit, or you click on the edit at the top. It's still the same thing. So I will click on edit here, then just click on edit again. Then you copy that particular code. I will give the code in the description of this video. So just paste the code at the beginning of that .ht access of your WordPress file from the cPanel. So let me copy the code here. I'll put the code here to make it easier. So I will just cut it, then just paste it at the beginning of your WordPress file .ht access. So you paste it here, then just click on Save Changes. So when you are done, let's go back to the website now. Let's refresh. So let's try it again now if the issue is still there or it has gone. So let me click on newsletter. You see now the site is now working perfectly. So let's click another button again. So as you can see, it's now working good. So let's click on buttons on any of the websites. So as you can see, the issue is fixed. So whenever you come across this particular issue on your WordPress website, I'm sure you now know how you can fix it. If you have any question concerning the video or you have any issue or concern about your WordPress website, you can give a comment in the comment section of this video or you contact me so you can show you how to fix any of the issues you are having on your WordPress website. And if you want me or any of my team to build your website for you, you can get in touch with us and we are going to give you the perfect website that suits your business. So don't forget, if you want to get more useful and information video like this, don't forget to follow button, click on the follow button and subscribe to our channel. See you and I will see you in the next video.